In this session, we're going to take a look at working with the Duotones and Duotone presets in the Color Factory for CorelDRAW. And down here I have an image, and a duotone is really just a monochrome converted to two colors instead of black and white. Once you have those two colors, you have a perfect duotone. You can see here we go from the original image, convert to monochrome, and the monochrome becomes a duotone. I'll zoom in here and we can take a look at the owl. Now with your Color Factory you have 250 duotone presets. That's more presets than any other library I could find on the internet. To work with the presets, you can simply select your duotone, bring your Color Factory up from the taskbar, double click, and the colors in your duotone will be automatically changed, so you can very quickly and easily go through different colors and different looks relating to your duotone images and get those looks and work with them very quickly and easily, as opposed to having to go through and change colors all this time. So you could go through and look at many different options relating to your duotoning for your graphic design, for your t-shirts, or for your signs, or for anything else for that matter. Now if an image has not been converted to a monochrome, I'll duplicate this here. You can simply double click on any one of the duotones and that image will automatically be converted to that duotone. It's that easy. So you can go from the monochrome, or you can go from your image by double clicking on any one of the duotones, and then you can take a look at the different colors and the different looks for the duotones. Once you've created a duotone, let's say that you like working with this but you want to change maybe the lightness of that gray or white that's in there, you can go to your color docker based on the outline. There's the color right there, outline, you can see down here, outline, and the fill. So that's your fill. So you want to change the fill. That'll go up there in the white, left click, hold down, start to move that, and you can see how you can work with that, bring that down into the oranges and the yellows and make that color adjustment. So you can go up into the tints, down into the shades, lighten that up, go up to the pure color, come over to the grays, etc. All left click, hold down, just move around here in the color docker under the show color views. Now once that's on a t-shirt with a duotone, and this is just set up as an angle and some vector text for the design, then you can go through and very quickly look at different looks of color on your design, because once it's on a t-shirt you can go to your Color Factory, and let's say we want to take a look at this. We'll go down into the purples. Let's see the purple and red type of look, and you can see you can really take a look at different looks on that very quickly and easily. That's with like a green. This is like with a yellow, kind of like we started. So you can work very quickly and easily with your duotones. Now here we've taken two duotones, and then we've got one of our duotone with colors here and combine them. For a different look that really combines the color of the shirt with this duotone, then the duotone with color here with the white, and then another duotone down here. And you'll see a lot of this in design also, where they're mixing the color with the duotones and doing different things. Once again, you got 250 presets. Here's Marilyn Monroe as a duotone. Very easy to work with. Go through and take a look at her based on different looks. And there's even like some vintages in here that look really cool. If I go up in here and to the top, I'll come down and see where's the vintages. And you can also do a search. We'll do a search. We'll go vintage. And that brings up all of our vintage duotones, which is another feature that we have when we're dealing with our presets. And working with that, I would say I want to go with a vintage that looks something like this here. I can double click on that. That'll be there. And that'll apply that duotone as a vintage duotone from the presets. And then I can go back to the presets, just click off, click back on, go back to those presets, go through and apply them. And that looks pretty hot with the magenta there. That looks really nice. And you can look at things like this is a very light color. Sometimes you like a really faded out look in your graphic design. Here's another one of the vintages. Going through different looks with the duotones. All perfect, and then once again you can adjust your colors with the color docker or with the right and left click. If I wanted a, let's say I'll say a green background, and I want to click for the green and then right click for the yellow. Actually, I want to right click for the green. That's what I want. Yeah, I want that, and then left click for the yellow. There we go. I really like to go with the color docker actually, and the information that I have in the taskbar. It makes it much easier to work with. So that's how we work with the Duotones. With the color factory, we'll wrap here and continue in our next session.